Hello, I'm Ericus, the co-founder of Kaching Apps, and thanks for installing Kaching Subscriptions app. In this video, you'll learn how to set up your subscription offers and get them live on your store in minutes. Subscriptions are one of the fastest ways to turn one-time shoppers into predictable monthly revenue. Let me show you how to get everything running. After enabling the app embed, we're ready to create our first subscription plan. You can click here or go straight into the Plans tab, press Create Plan. On the right side, you'll see a live preview of your subscription offer. Let's start with the basics. The title is fine for me, but you can rename it if you want custom text. The internal description is just for your own reference, so I'll call this one Strips Subscription. Next, let's select the product we want to use. Here you can also allow customers to swap products or variants inside their customer portal, the place where they manage, pause, or cancel their subscriptions. We have a full tutorial on this on our YouTube channel. Now let's move to the options section. You can leave the option name blank. It will automatically generate one based on the offer. For billing type, I'll make sure to have pay as you go since I want customers to be charged each time. For delivery frequency, I'll set it to 2 and switch months to weeks. Below that, we have minimum and maximum orders. I'll set the minimum to 2. This means a customer needs to complete at least 2 orders before they can cancel. Maximum can stay unlimited, but you can use it if you want to cap how many cycles a subscription can run. Next, we have the subscription discount. I'll leave it at 10% with the discount type set to percentage off. Then we can adjust the discount after a certain number of orders. I'll set it so that after 3 orders, the discount changes to 5%. We can also add a shipping discount, but I'll leave that off for now. Below that, we have more advanced settings, things like changing product quantity after specific orders, removing free products after a set number of cycles, or letting customers adjust quantities. These are powerful, but I'll leave them off in this walkthrough. Let's create one more option. I'll run through this one quickly. Same setup as before, just with a lower discount and a 4-week delivery interval. Click Save. Now on the right, you'll see your full subscription summary. We have 2 subscription options, each with their own rules, all clearly visible in one place. Next, let's open the widget panel. Here you can choose from pre-built subscription templates. I'll choose this one. On the right, you can see the live widget preview. Let's update the one-time purchase label. I'll rename it to Buy Once. Then I'll adjust the spacing and match the colors to my brand. Inside features, if I uncheck Show Default Features, I can fully customize the text, and I'll remove this benefit. It's great because you can fully customize the points depending on your offer. I'll also enable Sticky Add to Cart and add a cart badge with the star icon. Click Save. Now let's preview it on the storefront. Everything looks clean, works smoothly, and blends perfectly into the product page. And by the way, Kaching Subscriptions works seamlessly with our other apps, bundles for wider offer options, and cart drawer where customers can manage or upgrade their subscription and add more to save more. It's the perfect AOV boosting lineup. That's how simple it is. If you want to dive deeper or learn how to set up the customer portal for your subscribers, you'll find that and more detailed videos on our channel. It's full of tips, tricks, and advanced setups to help you squeeze even more AOV out of every order. Wishing you success with your store, and I'll see you in the next video.